We're talking about spring maintenance, and this is our spring maintenance video 1. So we're gonna talk about some items that you got coming into warmer weather. So first of all, you're driving and the roads are buckling where you got those big humps, and then they're getting big potholes. I was driving today and I had a pothole this big and this deep, and there's another car coming. You can't avoid that potentially. So what are you doing? Alignment checks are big. That can knock your alignment out of place. Tires, making sure they're inflated properly, that you got enough tread, because when you got low tread and you hit that pothole, that's when you get a blowout. If you got a good tire on there, that probably withstands that impact. And then the other thing is, what do we do to prevent the wear and tear on the rest of the vehicle? And that's gonna be your shocks and struts. So we can see here, we've got a bad shock. See how it just pops back up, and we got a good shock, how it takes its time coming up. What this is it's got hydraulic fluid in it, and that allows that to absorb that rebound. So even if the car's sitting, age and mileage make a difference. So if that car's 7, 8 years old, it's got that amount of age of that weight of that vehicle sitting on it. These shocks are gonna wear out. When that happens, the impact is gonna affect your brakes more, your other steering suspension, and then your tires. So you definitely wanna make sure you're looking at your shocks and struts on a vehicle that's around 100,000 or higher, or 7 years or older. Stay tuned for video 2.
877-4277